Meanwhile, attorneys for the Department of Justice were back in court today for a hearing on the Trump administration's deportation flights.
In question is the exact timeline of when officials sent migrants to El Salvador despite a judge's order. Fox 35's Caroline Shively has more.
The court battle continuing Thursday here in D.C. over the White House's deportation flights to El Salvador. Federal Judge James Boasberg pressing the administration for answers over whether it defied a court order when it deported hundreds of migrants to El Salvador last month. Deportation flights continued this week despite another district judge's order for them to stop. Trump has justified the removals with a more than 200-year-old law that allows non-citizens to be deported without a court proceeding. The hearing comes as the administration faces scrutiny over its immigration tactics. Last week, the Justice Department admitted it wrongly deported a Maryland man with protected legal status. The White House says they have no plans to return him to the U.S.
This was unquestionably an illegal alien. This was unquestionably a person who broke the laws to get into our country. This is unquestionably a person an immigration judge had found had zero right to be in the United States of America.
Attorneys for Kilmar Abrego Garcia deny he has any gang ties and accuse the administration of acting recklessly and ignoring due process.
If the government can make a mistake and as long as they do it quickly enough, you have no recourse whatsoever, that's something that we should all be very scared about.
An immigration judge denied Abrego Garcia's request for asylum in 2019, but had granted him protection from being sent back to El Salvador, where he was likely to face persecution by local gangs. In Washington, Caroline Shively, Fox News.